It is raining, isn't it? Ugh. Dropping everything. Cheese, down. Mustard, down. Ugh. Okay, oh my gosh, I keep dropping it. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Amanda, and in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 really easy no-cook backpacking lunch ideas. The first idea that I have for you are tuna packets with crackers. This is my go-to backpacking lunch because it's of course no cook, and it's really simple to just take out of your pack and just use these crackers to actually just scoop the tuna, so you don't even need any silverware or bowls or plates or anything like that. It's really simple, and these tuna packets are so good. This is by a brand called Safe Catch. I've talked about them in so many of my what I eat in a day backpacking videos, but they come in all sorts of flavors, and they have 18 grams of protein. They're just super high quality and really delicious, and so you can vary up the flavor of tuna and then also the flavor of crackers. So I have a cheddar cracker here, and then give yourself some variety out on the trails if you're going on longer trips. So this is my personal favorite backpacking lunch idea. Backpacking lunch number 2 is tortillas with some peanut butter, almond butter, honey, and then granola or trail mix. This is really simple. I have packed in 2 tortillas here. One is usually enough for one lunch. You know, take it out of the bag and then spread on your favorite peanut butter or nut butter packet. And then I also pack in one of these raw honey packets, drizzle that on top of the peanut butter, and take it to the next level by adding in some granola or your favorite trail mix. Just sprinkle that on top, and that adds a really nice crunch, some extra calories, and it tastes so delicious. So this is a really easy lunch idea that can also work as a breakfast idea if you need to just get up and start hiking right away and you don't want to cook things. This also works great for breakfast. And then the last no-cook backpacking lunch idea I have for you is pita with salami, cheese, mustard, and mayo. So for this, I have packed in some pita. So this is one pita that I've cut in half. And then I also have some salami, which is really good, doesn't need to be refrigerated. And then cheese. So for this, you can get some of these little cheddar squares here, or mozzarella, kind of whatever you prefer. And then the last part to this lunch is a little packet of mayo and a little packet of mustard. Just one packet of each is usually good per salami cheese sandwich. When you're getting ready for lunch, all you have to do is just open your pita, spread on some of that mayo and mustard, and layer in some cheese and salami, and that's it. It's really simple, and it's just a nice change of pace, again, from like other bars and snacks that everyone typically has on the trail. This is just something a little bit different. All right, that is it. As usual, before you go, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite backpacking lunch idea is. I upload new videos every single week. Right here, I have 11 easy hiking snack ideas for you, and then below I have a what I eat in a day video that you can check out, where you can see everything that I eat on a backpacking trip from breakfast to dinner. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.